Hello all, Vinod here from Endurance Engineering Academy. So we are starting our pre-registration of GATE 2023 online courses. Okay, so for both mechanical and also for engineering science. Okay, for engineering science, as of now we have opened pre-registration for B, D and E only, that is fluid mechanics, solid mechanics, and also thermodynamics, along with engineering mathematics. And for GATE 2023 we will be having our aptitude video lectures also. Okay, right. And for ME, of course, the complete syllabus of mechanical plus general aptitude and engineering mathematics also. So what you will get in this course, you will be getting complete video lectures. So whatever it is required for you for your GATE preparation, everything in detail, along with solved problem, along with rapid revision questions, you will be getting everything. Okay, in that. Okay, and then next is online test series. Since you are joining it now, okay, since you are joining in the month of November or December, you will get both GATE 2022 and GATE 2023 test series. Okay, and doubt support, you will get added into a separate doubt group for each subject. Okay, each subject we have a separate doubt group. You will get added into that, and I will be responding to all your doubts. Okay. Right, and then next is practice quizzes. We will be uploading practice quizzes in the portal, and also practice quizzes will be done in Telegram group also. And then weekly live sessions. So this is a new thing which we are adding from GATE 2023. Okay, and this session will start from May. Okay, May month of 2022. Okay, from May 2022 we will start our live session also. Okay, so weekly we will be having live sessions where I will be covering few more things other than whatever we covered in complete video lectures. I will be covering additional problems. If needed, I will be covering some extra MCQs or NAT or MSQ, or even some concepts if it is necessary. It's a live session, so you can interact with me. Okay, and even if you don't attend the live session also, the recordings will be available in the portal. Okay, so that is one, but live sessions are something which is kept to make sure that the students are attending it live. So I will highly recommend the student to attend it lively. Okay, so that will happen weekly. Okay, and then finally the validity of the course is until GATE 2023. Okay, so you will be having this complete course valid till GATE 2023, and you can access the course in both Windows or iOS or Android. Okay, Windows in the sense you can access in laptop or desktop or whatever. Okay, so both in browser and also in app. For iOS we have separate app, and for Android also we have separate app. Okay, right. So overall, if you want to know about our course, suppose if you are very new to our YouTube channel, if you want to know about our course, you can just check out the playlist. In the playlist we have set of videos. Okay, thermodynamics video, fluid mechanics, manufacturing, industrial. So we have set of videos. You can just go through the videos. Those are demo videos. Okay, demo videos of our video course. Okay, see, in addition to this weekly live sessions, we will be having live guidance sessions also, so in which I will be guiding you how to proceed, how to plan, what is the plan, everything. So the complete plan will be given to you. Don't have to worry much. Okay, right. So that is all about GATE 2023 pre-registration. See, and there is one more point which I wanted to say. Okay, so before if you want to register pre-registration, see, once after January, it's going to be different. Okay, so I will be making another video once after January regarding the complete plan and all the things. This is pre-registration, which means it has to be registered in the month of November and December. And if you are interested, then you will be getting a reduction in fee of ₹1,000. So you will get a fee reduction of ₹1,000 for ME course. Okay, and then if you wanted to register for XE course in this pre-registration, then you will be getting a reduction of price of ₹500. Okay, so whatever the course you are interested in, so based on the course which you are interested in, whether mechanical or engineering science, depends on that, there will be reduction in the price compared to the price which is available in our portal. Okay, the fee will be reduced. So ₹1,000 will be reduced for ME, ₹500 will be reduced for XE, and this is for pre-registration alone. Okay, the registrations which are going to happen in the month of in the month of November and December. Okay, and One more point here is if you directly go and try to register in our website, your validity will be 12 months, but as I said, your validity will be until GATE 2023, which means it's like 12 plus 2, around 14 months, right? So for 14 months validity course, if you directly go in the portal, you won't be able to access it. So instead, I will ask you to WhatsApp us in this number, okay? So mostly 99% I will be the person who is going to respond to this number. Okay, so directly WhatsApp us in this number 9080822893. I will be responding to you and I will be giving you the procedure how to proceed with the registrations. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.